Now imagine someone else in the organization creates a new canvas. Let's remove the default block and drag over 3 blog post writer toolblocks. Now we'll add different topics for each and run them. Baseball, football, and basketball. And I'll go ahead and run the tool. Since the prompts are already in each tool block, you only need to add the inputs like before. And now you can see 3 separate blog posts. And of course, you can connect these blocks to input and output blocks in your workflow, just like you normally would with blocks. And that's it. Go to app.hunch.tools to get started.